Hello YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be changing out the broken door handles on a 2003 Toyota Tundra. So stay tuned guys, and here we go.
Dirty Dudes!
Alright guys, so first what you want to do is actually take off the clips. I already went ahead to take these two off with a flat-headed screwdriver. And then I'm just going to pick these up. There's another tool on each side. And this just actually pops off. It's held by some clips in the side. And this is actually missing. Alright guys, so it has two Phillips head on the side and one Phillips head over here, and these are actually torque head number T30. Alright guys, I already moved all the screws. Like I said, there's going to be 3 Phillips heads and 2 T30s. And you just want to pull this back. Be careful with this wire. So it has a 10mm bolt here. All right, after removing that bolt, you just want to pull this towards your body. That's 2 little clips right here. And these you just want to pull them out. And it has a little that's about it. So remember how you take it off, because you're going to put it back in the way you took it off. It actually has some little grooves where you could actually adjust the tension on the lock. Alright, as you can see, it has a little groove so you could adjust the lock. Because if you do it too tight, it actually hits on this plastic right here. So make sure you guys adjust the right tension on it. And you just put in the little metal on its hole and just put everything back together. It's a quick little fix. Alright guys, so I already double checked this before actually putting everything back together. So you want to check it actually. You go inside the truck and check the lock, everything functioning before you put all the screws back together. Alright guys, there you go. Door handles changed. I actually changed the passenger as well. I didn't show it's the same thing as changing the driver's side. So hopefully you find this video useful guys. Like always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.